What if I told you there's an invisible cycle that resets half the planet's mood every single day? It's not about sleep or coffee. It's a hidden biological rhythm that's far more powerful. You see, science has confirmed that male testosterone levels are on a daily roller coaster. Generally, testosterone levels are highest in the morning and then steadily decrease by night. This entire process is controlled by a tiny command center in the brain called the hypothalamus. And while this cycle isn't as obvious as menstruation, its impact on mood is undeniable. For example, that morning testosterone peak can make men feel more energetic and confident. But as those levels fall in the evening, so can mood and energy levels. But hey, race, where it gets more profound. This daily rhythm is part of a much bigger story. As men age, their overall testosterone levels begin a slow, gradual decline. This shift can reduce physical strength and dramatically increase emotional volatility. This often leads to irritability or depressive moods, a situation that is strikingly similar to the hormonal changes women experience during menopause. For too long, society has put a spotlight on female health cycles, which is crucial. But the hormonal challenges men face are often dangerously ignored or dismissed as weakness. Finally, understanding that men have their own cycles is a massive leap forward. This represents an important step in our social progress. Men are a vital part of our families, workplaces, and communities. Their mental and physical health directly impacts the stability of society itself. In reality, men face unique vulnerabilities and also need our care and support. Because caring for men's health isn't just about individuals, it's about building a better world for everyone.